just run the 3D XL up there.
Do a little passes?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Do a few low passes.
Inverted. So the wheels don't get in the way.
We were talking about that.
I'd love to be able to do that. I don't know how many planes I'd go through. That's definitely a simulator to get a feel for it.
Oh yeah.
How's that roll rate?
Trying to get me dizzy. You're doing a good job.
Crank that up.
Alright, so I do have my other camera with me. We can put an onboard camera on one of these guys. You got one.
You did.
Nice wispy clouds there. Hit a few. Oh!
It actually didn't cut it. But
No, yeah, it's not cutting. Yeah, I'm just sending these lines here. The decibel. No, I'm just kidding. No, this is.
Watch out for the Bermuda Triangle there. Although it's not windy today, so it's probably better. Very nice. Very nice.
You end up in that tree.
Nope.
No, it's just normally there's what 20-mile-an-hour wind. So
Good point. Makes it a little harder.
yeah.
Good point. We usually are flying in 15, 20. Feel free to hit my windshield.
You definitely don't want that done.
As long as you're just not paying for it, it's probably not too bad. That's what insurance is for, right?
Yeah. Insurance dealer. What? No. Like, no trust.
No interest going the other way?
Nope.
Figure eight it?
Not unless we. Yeah.
Get into the
Getting a little
light.
Little funky. Yeah.
Put lights on that sucker.
I should.
Yeah.
There are those about 1 1/4 inch stuff that are on Amazon, about 25 bucks for 3 of them, battery operated. You put them on with Velcro, you snap them off.
Yeah.
Good stuff. I got 2 sets.
I've got rolls of LED lights. In
Oh,
there
those
from-
are even
from the
better.
models from the guys.
That's unacceptable.
That's unacceptable.
That gear looks a little bent.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna.
Not gonna end on that.
No, it's like there's no wind. There's no reason. That was just bad.
The top of the hill caught you.
Yeah, the gear's a little